Hi everybody! I've been getting a lot of questions on the Chapter 7 homework assignment, so I wanted to do a quick video to give you some guidance. So we're talking about maximizing utility given a consumer's choice between two products and a fixed budget. And let's walk through the example that's on page 156 of your textbook using the consumer equilibrium equation that's on the top of page 158 in the book. So here's what we've got. We're on page 156. We know we have a budget of $10, and we know that we have two goods that we can buy, product A and product B. We're given number of units and the marginal utility of each successive unit. As we would expect, based on the law of diminishing marginal utility, we see that the marginal utility of each product goes down as consumption is increased. What we want to do here is add an extra column for product A and also for product B so that we can compare the marginal utility of the additional product to the price of the product. So I'm going to add that in here. MU of product A divided by the price of product A. So for the first one, marginal utility is 10, price is $1. This column will be pretty straightforward. So 10 divided by 1. For the second unit, we're looking at a marginal utility of 8 divided by 1. And so on down the line. So this column represents the marginal utility of product A divided by the price of product A. The first half of that equation found at the top of page 158. We want to do the same thing for product B. We have the marginal utility of product B, and we also have the price, which is $2. So marginal utility of B divided by the price of B. This column looks a little bit like this. Marginal utility of 24 divided by a price of 2 is 12 for the first unit. Marginal utility of 20 divided by a price of $2 is 10. And so on down the line. So now, in order to maximize the utility for this consumer, they're going to look to find out where is the marginal utility of A divided by the price of A equal to the marginal utility of B divided by the price of B. So I see two options. I see here 10 at 1 unit of A and 10 at 2 units of B. I also see 8 at 2 units of A and 8 at 4 units of B. Oh, and then there's even 6. Okay? So what we have to do now is remember our income, or the budget that we have to work with. We have $10 to work with. Which of these combination of choices helps us utilize that full budget? Let's take a look at 10 first. If we buy 1 unit of product A at $1, we've spent $1 on product A. If we buy 2 units of product B at $2, we've spent $4 on product B. So $4 on product B plus $1 on product A is $5. We haven't spent our whole budget. Let's look at 8, where marginal utility is equal at 8. Marginal utility divided by price is equal at 8. So we can buy 2 units of product A for $1 and spend $2 on product A. And we can buy 4 units of product B at $2 each, spending $8 on product B. So $8 on product B plus $2 on product A equals our budget of $10. We've spent the entire budget. And we've also managed to find a utility maximizing point where the marginal utility of A divided by the price of A is equal to the marginal utility of B divided by the price of B. So the answer here is 2 units of product A and 4 units of product B.